Follow my Roblox app. Hello.
Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm playing this game right here. So it was on my For You page and on Roblox. I'm already loving this game, but I think I have to turn down the volume. Like, this is so cute and I love it already. Like, look how adorable this is. And like, look at like my avatar. I changed it a little bit. Jump, 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 jump. I need to itch my nose. The jump sounds are so adorable. Jump. Okay, this is very fun so far. Don't mind if you hear any noise in the background, that's just my sister. Yeah, she's trying to get her tooth out. No, I fell. Well, that's okay. I'm being calm today. No attitudes are in fits. What's up? Hey, yo. Jump, a jump, a jump, a jump, a jump, a jump. Jump, a jump, a jump. Jump, 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 jump. I'm gonna make a video with my friend, well, my cousin. So, yeah. Jump and jump and jump and jump. Don't mind if you hear anyone in the background. That's just my family. They're pretty noisy, loud, very much. What the heck? How am I supposed to? Oh, that is so cute. Ah, I got an award. Now let's do the Pachaka one. Wait, no. I kind of forgot his name. Sadly. No! Well, that's all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!